All right, YouTube, welcome back. It's your girl Purry, Process for Profits, all service business, all success, service business simplified. And in this video, I want to talk to you about the things that I've been discovering while traveling, networking, having a lot of round tables, and some awesome coaching calls. So, this particular video is going to be for my pressure washers, those who have access to a pressure washer, and those not afraid to go to Home Depot and rent a pressure washer. So, let's get into it. All right, so check this out, guys. You know, I talk a lot about new construction and new developments, and here's what I'm discovering, right? There is a whole business where people go out and they clean garbage cans. They pressure wash garbage cans. And I never thought of that. Never would have crossed my mind. But check this out. They're getting $15 to $20 per garbage can. That's an amount that a lot of people, have on hand. They won't question spending the money on it for a service that they don't want to do. And it's a lot of cash, right? So we all know what that means. If you don't, to each his own. But imagine if you did 20 of those a day. That would amount to $400 a day. 5 days a week. $2,000 a week. 5 days a week, $2,000 a week, and that gets you up to $8,000 a month. Pressure washing garbage cans, right? You're already there. You're either pressure washing the house, the driveway, the sidewalk, something. Why not offer that extra service? And here's the wig. If you're already at the house, just say, hey, we also do this, so do you mind? We'll just clean it while we're here. Think they're going to call you back to do it? Course. And then that's when you rope them in. They'll call us back in a couple months. We'll come back out in a couple months and keep it clean. And then that's how you can create residual, recurring income almost on a subscription basis. Most people don't need their houses pressure washed once a month, once every couple months. Driveways included, unless they got a lot of leaky cars. But here's where I would target. If I were you, if I were to go and do these things, because I don't see why not. I might. I'm thinking about it. I have the processes and the structure set up to where it will be quite easy for me to do it. However, here's how I would approach it. I'm already in new developments. These new developments all come with HOAs. It's a built-in fee for the developer and the builder to continue getting paid for the rest of their lives. And those fees go up. So within those fees, they have covenants and restrictions. I would only target these neighborhoods because their houses can't be dirty. They can't have that green algae that gets on vinyl. Can't have it. They can't have overgrown lawns. Can't have it for my landscapers, mowers, leaf blowers, and things like that. And they damn sure can't have no raggedy, dirty trash cans. So what I would do is I would target these neighborhoods, and that's where I would make my money. I would probably drive the neighborhood and see who has the nicest, or I would see if I could find who is the president of the HOA and go to their house. They make all the rules. So I'm going to go to their house and I'm going to say, hey, this is a service that I offer. Do you mind if I just clean yours for free? I'm out here cleaning in an area, and we just, decide to come around, and your house looks nice, so you mind if we clean yours for free, and perhaps can we put a yard sign in your yard? Most times they're going to say yeah, if you got a yard sign for marketing. And then once you're cleaning them, the other person goes to the neighbor's house to the right, neighbor's house to the left, and across the street. So if you can get you a triangular situation set up, you can make all of your money, or a lot of your money, on one trip, one tank of gas, without having to drive all over your city, all over your town. So if I I were you guys, I would target not necessarily new developments, but you know, the neighborhoods where a lot of flips are going on. It looks a little bit run down. Maybe if you're from the town, you went to high school there. Those houses have been up from the 90s. I would target those areas because 9 times out of 10, you're going to get more money. A lot of those houses are going to have the algae and stuff on it. So if you hit them with the, hey, I'm out here trying to, we do trash cans, but I see your house, how about this? I'll give you a deal and I'll pressure wash the side, one side of your house, $80. Now you got $100 for one house. And you did that off the whim of just trying to go get $20. So you were able to upsell them and give them a service, tell their neighbors, put a yard sign in their yard and market. And they paid you for all of that. You didn't pay them a dime. So if I were you guys, that's why I said the last video, as an entrepreneur, you got to be fluid. You got to be willing to think outside of the box. And this was some out of the box, because I don't want to clean garbage cans, and I hate when my garbage can's nasty. So if someone were to ride by, like the guy that, every neighbor has somebody that riding by, hey, can we cut your lawn? If someone was to ride by and be like, hey, we're offering garbage cleaning services, we'll pressure wash your garbage cans, 1 for $20, 2 for $35, run it. Why not? And guess what? I only got 220, so don't worry about the change. It's a tip. A lot of you guys that go to your hairdressers, your barbers, if it's a $5 off difference, you usually tell them keep the change. Think about that for yourself. Imagine if these people are telling you to keep the change. Then you win the game. You win it. It's all up from there. I just want you guys to be flexible, man. There's so much opportunity. Like right now, in October, you guys should have been putting up Halloween decorations for people, taking them down. You should have been putting up Christmas lights for people, taking them down. My pressure washers, my painters, why? My landscapers, why? My gutter cleaners, why? Because y'all have freaking ladders on your vehicles. You already equipped. You don't even got to go rent a ladder. If I were to do it, I would have to go rent a ladder. I would have to go rent a ladder. I would have to go rent people, essentially, and get the job done. You guys have ladders. You guys have people. Why aren't you allowing yourself to get more money? You're already at these people's house. They already trust you. Why are you not asking them, hey, you want me to put your Christmas lights up for you? It's a new service we're offering. Why wouldn't you do that? Like, I don't mean to be harsh, but you can go work your job all day, or you can go do this for a few hours a day. The money ain't gonna be equal. You're gonna have more time and more money and more upside. Betting on yourself. I just want y'all to bet on you. If you look in the mirror, you believe in you, try it. Just try it. The most they can say is no, thank you. We don't do soliciting. They're never gonna say that. You'll see the sign when you drive into the neighborhood. This is a no soliciting neighborhood. All right, cool, whatever. I'm not worried about it. I'll still find a way, though, to solicit in your neighborhood. Why? Somebody's going to be outside in their yard. Somebody's going to be outside taking out the garbage. Somebody's going to be outside checking their mail. They outside. So it's simple as saying, hi, do you guys know about such and so house? Yeah, I thought I got scheduled to come clean their garbage cans, but they're not answering, and I don't know what's going on. But would you guys happen to need any service? Smooth. So I need you guys to start thinking like that, betting on yourselves, using your brain, letting it matriculate. Like, y'all have skills. At a minimum, we all clean for an allowance. Pressure washing is a form of cleaning. It's almost a form of pain if you stroking, like, you know what I'm saying, your stroke game right. If you guys can do this and just change your mindset and just tweak it a little bit, I promise you, it's so much.